Matilda, she purchased a beautiful dress because her husband, he handed over 400 francs to her to purchase the beautiful dress. But Mr. Loisel, he noticed that after buying the beautiful dress, still Matilda, she was not satisfied because some dissatisfaction it was visible on her face. So he asked what is the reason. Then she told that I have bought the beautiful dress but I have no matching jewelry which I can wear in the party. So for this to suit with this dress, I want a necklace. But Mr. Loisel, he had no money already. Whatever he had, he handed over to her wife. So he gave an idea to Matilda that you do one thing, that your friend and Anne Foster, she is your good friend, so you borrow a necklace from her. Matilda agreed and she thought it is a good idea, I can borrow a necklace from her. So Matilda visited in the next day to Madame Foster house. Anne Foster means Madame Foster's house, and she is very helpful lady and she is very kind and she loves Matilda like anything, and she opens her wardrobe and there are various kinds of jewelries. Those were kept in the almirah or wardrobe, and she says Matilda to choose whatever she wants. So Matilda, she selects a beautiful diamond necklace and she wore that necklace in the ballroom dance or the party, and she was looking very gorgeous and very beautiful, and she was the main attraction of the party. The guests, they were giving compliment to Matilda and her face was looking bright and she was very much boastful about her beauty that day, that night, because she knows about her beauty and about her gorgeous look. So whole night they enjoyed in the party, and at 4 in the morning they returned. They took a cab and husband and wife, they returned home. And when Matilda, she returned home, she was wanting to have a look that how she is looking today or how she was looking in the ball. So she was wanting to have a look in front of mirror. When she stood in front of mirror, she noticed the necklace was not there around her neck. Then she starts screaming that my necklace, where is my necklace? It has been lost. So Mr. Loisel, he started searching each and every nook and corner of the house, of the room, but necklace was not there. He didn't find the necklace. Mr. Loisel, he informed the police station also, but some days already have been passed, but necklace, it was not found. But anyhow, they could arrange money that diamond necklace, they talked to the jewelry shop. During that time, the diamond necklace, it cost 36,000 francs. That is the French currency. So, Mr. Loisel, whatever the money he had or his father he had left for him, that also he borrowed from his office, he borrowed from other persons, money lenders. Anyhow, he could gather 36,000 francs and purchased a new diamond necklace. Meanwhile, Mr. Loisel advised Matilda to tell M. Foster that because it will take some time for the delivery of the necklace from jewelry shop. So meanwhile, Mr. Loisel, he advised Matilda to tell her friend, that Miss Madame Foster, that you tell her that I have given the necklace because it is broken little bit, so to get it repaired from the jewelry shop. Anyway, within some days, the jewelry shop delivered a brand new necklace, the same as the previous one. The design, the pattern, everything was same. 36,000 francs they had to pay. Matilda returned Madame Forestier the necklace. But meanwhile, the scenario, it was totally changed. How it was changed? Previously they used to stay in a rented house, that was also rented house, but the house was precious and they had kept maid also. Matilda used to lead a comfortable life, but now they had to shift to a rented house where the rent is quite low, facility is less. Matilda, she has to fetch water from outside and she has to climb many staircases fetching her water, and she has to do all the household work, and day by day she has become lean and thin. That glow of her face she has lost, and she is looking pale, she is looking more aged than her original age. She is actually quite young. Nowadays she is looking aged, elderly, because that glamour, because her look, her glow, all have been lost. Matilda, she is leading the life of misery. She is passing her days with despair and distress and agony. And the same with Mr. Loisel also, because he loves his husband, his wife. So he is also in a state of despair because he is unable to provide the previous comfort or whatever the comfortable lifestyle Matilda she used to lead in the previous rented house. This house, the rent is quite low. Obviously, if the rent is low, the facilities are not there. They are lacking many facilities. Water, electricity was not there. So Matilda, she is fetching water from outside in a bucket. So 10 years already have been passed, and there was no contact between Matilda and M. Forestier. 10 years already. The couple themselves, they were not wanting to keep any touch with that lady, or Matilda herself, she was not wanting. So suddenly after 10 years, Matilda, she meets Madame Loisel. And Madame Loisel, she is still holding her glamour, her glow on her face. She is looking, after 10 years also, she is looking quite young. Matilda is quite surprised to see her. And she is thinking herself that what is my condition? That she has become, she is looking older than according to her age. She has lost her glamour, she has lost her glow, and her health, it has been deteriorated a lot. She is looking weak. So Matilda thinks that this is the high time that I should narrate the story, or I should reveal the story. What is the reality behind my look today, what I am today? Because Madame Forestier, she was quite astonished to see Matilda in this look, in this appearance. So Matilda, she reveals that the story or the incident and whatever the phase they have crossed. So she has narrated the reality today to Madame Forestier. Then Madame M. Forestier, Madame Forestier, whatever you want to pronounce, she says that oh my God, you have spent 36,000 francs for that necklace. It was an imitation necklace. It was not at all a real diamond necklace. It was a fake necklace. It looked like that it was original. But it was a fake. It was an imitation necklace. That is the end of the story. And Matilda, at that very moment, she stood still after hearing that imposture when she revealed the reality that it was a fake necklace. Matilda, she has ruined her youth. Both of them are shattered. They have shifted to a rented house, cheap rented house. Since 10 years they were striving, but at last they could repay the money from where M. Loisel, that means Mr. Loisel, borrowed. They could repay the money, the loan, they could repay. But they had spoiled their comforts, they had spoiled their joyful married life, happy life, their comfort. So they had gone through a phase of misery, distress, despair only for this fake necklace. That is the end of the story.